Ela cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô.
Hi Vida-Viders! This is Eliza, and today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful machines going up for sale at our upcoming Massive March Sale Hybrid Auction on March 18, 19, and 20. Check out this heavy-duty 6-wheeler concrete pump built to deliver speed, precision, and efficiency to any construction site. Concrete pumps like this are commonly used for high-rise buildings, bridges, foundations, roads, and large construction projects. Instead of manually transporting concrete, this machine pumps it directly to hard-to-reach areas, saving time, labor, and cost. That means better productivity and faster project completion. Inviting everyone to test, inspect, and compare thousands of items during our inspection days from March 13 to 17. You can bid on-site or online for this amazing equipment, along with thousands of other trucks and heavy equipment available at the auction. For bidding details, registration, and complete lineup of items, visit our website and social media pages. So register now and see you at the auction!